Hi, so I'm here to tell you about a new resource that we have to check out ebooks. So it's called MackinVia. I'm on my library, my virtual library. This is how the kids access it, but I sent you the direct link to MackinVia. So I'm going to click on that. You're going to use login with your Upper Darby Google account. And it's going to take you right to the homepage of Highland Park. It'll say welcome, and you'll have a backpack up here. This is where it shows you your books that you checked out, favorites, and requests, and your notebook. All right, so I highlighted a few categories, so I'll change this all the time. So obviously it's October, so I did supernatural, adventure. I have newest and then highest rated. So if you want to search, I think probably the easiest way, I know the students will be doing it this way, would be going to the categories. So I highlighted a lot of different categories. You can go right to the search resources if you know the title of the book you want to search. So I'm just going to go into adventure category, and once I'm in, I have all these advanced searches. I can search by author, subject. So some of the little icons here, let me explain a few of those. So if you see a circle, a red circle with a line through it, that means the book is checked out. The book icon means it's an ebook. There's also audiobooks, which are headphones. So a lot of the books on this page are checked out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change over here in the advanced search, I'm going to only look at books that are available. So these are the books that are available in the adventure category. I can look for change here the different levels, interest levels, reading levels, etc. Number of pages. I can go to series, see all the series for adventure. So I'm going to look at, let's see, I'll open this book right here. I can get a preview. If I'm not sure, I can just open it and look at a preview, just make sure it's the book I want to check out. So I'll just real quick go through a few of the settings.
Now,
I can
friend. Your emotions smelled like sour wine and burning electrical.
read to me. I can change the voice.
Now, friend.
I could change the speed here. I can go into the settings up here. There's a notebook. I could go to citations. So we have 3, citations. If you're signing a book or whatever. So if I want to go highlight something, so I kind of really do have to press hard and oh, wait, you know what? I'm not in the book. That's why I'm in the preview. So let me go up here. Oh, there we go. I can do it. See, I'm learning about this too. All right. So once I highlight, and then it brings up a bunch of options. Underline, I could change the color of the highlight. I could put in a note about it. Let's see. Let me get out of here and I can show you how to check out a book. So it's pretty simple. If I wanted to check out this book, and obviously it's available, I just want to click check out and it goes right to my backpack. If I decided I didn't want it, I would just click on return. So I give the students 1 week, so 7 days for a book, and they're allowed to check out 2 books. And the book automatically after 7 days leaves your backpack. So let's go see if it, there you go. It is in my backpack. So I think just that's a quick overview for right now. I don't make it too long. And I'll probably make a second video of, more with more information. All right. Have fun with this.